Welcome to a quick guide on enabling SMS notifications for suggested people on Facebook web on PC with the latest update. First, open Facebook in your web browser and sign in if needed. Once you're on your homepage, look to the top right corner and click your profile photo. This opens a small menu with quick access to your account settings. From here, choose Settings and Privacy to expand the options. Then select Settings again to dive into your account controls. On the left side of the screen, you'll find a list of settings categories. Scroll down until you see Notifications and click it to open the notification controls. This is where Facebook aggregates all the ways you can be alerted about activity on your account. Now, you're in the Notification section. Look for the subsection titled People You May Know. This is where Facebook manages suggestions for who you might want to connect with. Within this area, there's an option to enable SMS notifications. Toggle the SMS switch to on so you'll receive text messages when new suggestions appear. If you don't see the SMS option right away, don't worry. Facebook sometimes updates the layout or names of settings. In that case, stay in notifications and look for related options like SMS, text messages, or phone notifications. If you find SMS under a different label, switch it on there as well. The goal is to enable alerts for new suggested connections via text messages. After turning on SMS for people you may know, it's a good idea to review your phone number in your Facebook settings to ensure it's correct. You can verify or update the number by going to Settings, then Personal Information, and selecting Contact Information. Having the right number ensures you receive notifications without interruption. That's all there is to it. Once you've enabled SMS notifications, you'll get a text when Facebook finds new suggested people to connect with, keeping you in the loop even when you're not actively checking the app.